Game. As 4 packs tayo ng Ascended Heroes galing sa ATB. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda yung nakuha natin kahapon pero baka naman mas maganda today. Dark Energy, Pikachu, Skitty, Bellsprout, Rotom, Frostmoth, Hunter, Lily's Determination, Victreebel Reverse, Slugma Reverse, and Mega Charizard Y EX. Nice one. Isa sa magandang EX. Medyo bumabalik na yung first pack magic natin yung last pack magic kaya. Water Energy. Uy, sumabit pa. Badoo. Dratini. Meowth. Shuppet. Gloom. Cramorant. Boss's Order. And Charjabug Reverse. Hop. King Gambit Reverse. Pwede pa sa isang EX. Staraptor Hollow. Kala ko isang EX pa Anyway, napakaganda. Charizard EX, tsaka Pikachu. Nice one.